Really quick before I do jump in this video, I'm filming this after the fact, after the video. This video did not go as planned. This video was planned to be me jumping my RC down the hillside. So as you can see out there, I've got some ramp set up. The plan was to jump my Stampede down the hillside. This video never came to fruition because unfortunately, I made a mistake. I actually broke the RC before we even got to hitting the ramps. I actually broke quite a few things. We broke the arm clean off right here. It broke. And then the hub carrier broke. So the hub carrier, these are the RPM ones too. These are not stock. The bottom hole just sheared clean off. So where the pin went through broke clean off, but these might still be usable because the top hole is still intact. It is cold weather, so all plastics are going to be brittle in cold weather like this. I just did not expect to break the RPM hub carriers. I literally just installed. We also broke this link right here, which that's to be expected. It broke right where it goes to, right where the shoulder screw connects. We also broke the shock tower. So a lot of carnage. What actually happened was I was doing some flybys up and down the road and I clipped my ramp. So I clipped the edge of the ramp because I have the ramp slid right up to the edge of the road, and I was just doing a couple flybys right before I decided to jump this thing down the hillside just to show off the speed, and unfortunately I made a fatal mistake for the RC. If you do want to see this video, just continue watching to see what happened. Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got the cheapest Traxxas Stampede project out with me. Today we're going to do something kind of cool. I've actually got my ramp set up right up here on the hillside. Now this is not the first time we've done this, but this will be a first because this is the first time we're going to run a 3-cell pack. So this thing is going to absolutely fly down the hillside. Now if you're not familiar with the system, or if this is the very first time you've tuned into my channel, this right here is a brushless power system from the brand Onyx. Now the parent company Onyx, as you can see right here, is actually Horizon Hobby. Now this is a budget-friendly system. It only comes in at $79.99. I will go ahead and leave it linked down below. So it includes this 70 amp ESC with an Ec3 connector soldered on, and also this 4000 kV. I think it's a 4-pole brushless motor. Either way, it's a 4000 kV. The battery expansion kit, which I'm also going to leave linked down below. We installed this a couple of videos ago. Now we can run a 3-cell. It includes these spacers right here, so it helps lift up this platform. Because before the 3-cell wouldn't slide under the platform. Also includes these taller posts, so we can fit a taller battery underneath of this battery strap. So here's the battery we're going to be running today. It is a 3-cell 5200 milliamp AC discharge rate Huvo pack with the Ec3 connector. So let me go ahead and get the 3-cell installed, and we'll jump right in this bashing video. Alrighty guys, 3-cell installed. Time to rock and roll, here we go. Alright guys, let's hop on the road. We'll start off with a few flybys. First, let's start off with the launch. Alright, ready, get it, go. Plenty of power now on 3S. All right, and here she comes. Oh my gosh! What did I just do? Oh my gosh, guys, I broke it before we even jumped it. I am so sorry. Honestly, I can't believe I just did that. And it appears we broke an arm. Yeah, we shattered the arm. The arm completely shattered, and I don't have another one. What do you guys think? RPM arms? Might have to go with RPM arms now too. Gosh, I promised you guys, and here's the arm. Oh, we didn't just break the arm, guys. Even more carnage. We broke, it looks like the top of the shock tower broke too. The wheel's all the way down there. We're gonna have to look. I hit it pretty good, guys. I was moving fast. And I hit, look like this edge right here I hit somewhere right in there. That was my mistake. I think the front wheels might have been a little bit up off the ground. I didn't have any steering at that point. Did we hit the front too? I don't think we hit the front. I think we just snagged the back. Let me go look at that tire. Did we break the RPM hub carrier or did it slip out somehow? That's my question. Because the pin is still completely in here. What the heck? Yeah, that is hard to do, guys. We broke an RPM hub carrier. Oh, this broke too. So the plastic link broke on the back, right where it connects, it looks like, to the shoulder screw. So we got to replace a few different pieces now. So I guess stay tuned for more upgrade videos till we can run this thing. Hopefully you aren't too disappointed by this video. Stay tuned for the next video, which will most likely be an upgrade video. So thanks again, see you later. We'll do this again, don't worry. We're gonna come back out again when this thing's all patched up, and we're gonna send it on 3S off this ramp. Just not gonna happen today.